are at the waterfall property here. And we're doing a 4-footer with this monstrous pump truck. There's 11 yards today. And they're doing the front wall, the walkout basement. Expensive to have this truck come every time, but it sure saves a lot of hassle. I'm up on the sand hill here, able to get a good. There's the operator over there on the control. Day. It's a little cloudy and cool, but it's not bad. Drying up. There's my neighbor Randy over there. We're actually going to do They're at the skid steer. He comes and checks on things every now and then.